Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X60 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to turn off ads. In order to turn off ads on your smartphone, first you can go to Play Store and right here you can download any ad blocker that will block browser ads. Next, you can go to Settings and More Connections. Right here in Private DNS, configure private DNS and type dns.adguard.com. Make sure there are no spaces. In the end, you can go to Privacy, Ads, and delete Advertising ID. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.